Okay, so I took a picture of some text from a book and I uploaded it to my Google Drive, and I'm going to show you how to turn that into a Google Doc with text that can be annotated. So here is my image file here within Drive. I'm going to right click it and go to Open With at the top and choose Google Docs. It'll take a few seconds to process, and then what it's going to do is drop in my image to a Google Doc, but it will also detect the text in that image and have the text there as well. So my image is here at the top. The text is underneath. It did a pretty good job there. And from here, my image came in rotated, so I'm going to select my image, right click it and choose image options. Size and rotation is at the top of image options in that pane on the right hand side, and then rotation is here, so I'm going to just click to rotate it, and then I can click the X to close those image options. If you want, you can delete this image completely. If you don't need it, you can move it down to the bottom and rearrange it. So if I wanted to move it to the bottom, I can do that. You can resize this text if you would like to, or format it in any way that you would like. So I'm going to make the text a little bit smaller so that it's not so long. And then to work with this text, you can select a word or a section, a phrase, and you can use the highlighter to highlight. If you'd like to select something and make a comment, if you'll select it, you notice this little pop-up at the side. Click that to add a comment. And click the comment button to save it. If you're assigning something like this to students, or students are doing this type of assignment and turning it into you, you can also click on their comments and reply to them, add additional comments underneath. So that's helpful for working with students with this type of activity. So that is how you turn an image of text into an editable doc and annotate it. Thanks, guys.